Hello guys, this is Supriya and welcome you all to my channel Knowledge. Today in this video we are going to study about active and passive voice, which is a very demanding subject, so we should know about that. And before going to active and passive voice, I want to suggest you that you should learn tense properly. And the formula for passive voice is written here be plus var3. So you should all know about var1, var2 and var3. So after that, I am going to give you some formulas regarding all these tenses. So for active voice, first see here in simple present it is written subject plus var1 plus objects. So what is subject and object? This also I had already told about it in my previous video. So see here, if I am writing suppose I am writing I wrote a letter. So here I is the subject, wrote is the verb and a letter is object. So you can guess from this what is subject, object and a verb. Verb according to the tense we have to use. Okay. So see here first some formulas I have given in this table. You can see first present simple. So in present simple, active voice is subject plus verb 1 plus object. Why it is verb 1? Because in simple present we use generally verb 1 adding s or es to it, like I go, he goes, like this. I had already told you. If you have not visited my channel about tense, you can see that in my playlist. After that, see here what is the passive voice of present simple tense. In all the cases subject becomes object. In Hindi I am going to say एक सेंटेंस में आप पहले देखिए सब्जेक्ट कौन सा है, ऑब्जेक्ट कौन सा है एंड वर्ब कौन से टेंस में है, इन विच टेंस वर्ब इज प्रेजेंट. फर्स्ट यू हैव टू नोटिस दैट. ओके, सो हियर I have written subject changes to object. In passive voice object जो होता है वो subject हो जाता है and subject जो होता है वो object हो जाता है. So here in present tense what verbs we generally uses is, are. Okay, so is, are, that is be verb plus verb 3, subject plus be verb plus verb 3 plus object. You can say object here will be subject and subject will be object. So I will show you in example format also. First you understand the formulas, then I will give you examples. Okay, so next past simple. In past simple we generally use verb to, जैसे go, went, gone. So went is the verb to, that is in past tense. See here subject plus verb 2 plus object, and in passive voice be verb, be plus verb 3, be plus verb 3 you have to remember properly, be plus verb 3. In passive voice you have to remember be plus verb 3. ये एक फॉर्मूला अपने दिमाग में फीड कर लीजिए. So here it is be was aware plus verb 3. And I have not written here subject and object because it is common in every case that subject becomes object and object becomes subject. I will show you in example format also. Then so was aware, why I am using was aware, आपका टेंस भी यहाँ पे रिवाइज हो रहा है. was और where हम पास्ट टेंस में ही यूज करते हैं, नॉट इन प्रेजेंट टेंस. ओके, सो इन पास्ट सिंपल सब्जेक्ट प्लस वर्ब 2. सो ये वर्ब 2 के जगह पे हम क्या लिखेंगे, बी प्लस वर्ब 3. बी अकॉर्डिंग टू सिंगुलर नाउन यू हैव टू यूज वाज. इफ देयर इज प्लूरल नाउन यू विल यूज वेयर. देन प्रेजेंट प्रोग्रेसिव और प्रेजेंट कंटिन्यूअस. सब्जेक्ट प्लस बी, इसमें हम एक्टिव वॉइस मीन्स जो जनरल फॉर्म होता है टेंस का, जनरल फॉर्म में एक्टिव वॉइस रिटर्न होता है, और टेंस को थोड़ा सा घुमा के लिखना है अकॉर्डिंग टू द फॉर्मूला, दैट इज कॉल्ड पासिव वॉइस। ओके, सो हियर सब्जेक्ट प्लस बी प्लस वर्ब में आईएनजी यूज होता है। ये मैं पहले भी बताई हूँ कि कंटिन्यूअस टेंस में वी यूजेस आईएनजी फॉर्म ऑफ द वर्ब। सो V1 plus ing plus object. So in passive voice it will be be plus being plus verb 3. Notice carefully here we uses one extra word, that is being. In past or present continuous tense we uses being. Be plus being plus verb 3. Verb 3 and be is common everywhere. Okay. Then past progressive, you can see past progressive. सिमिलरली जैसे प्रेजेंट प्रोग्रेसिव में है वैसे पास्ट प्रोग्रेसिव में भी हम लिखते हैं, बस बी वर्ब में यहाँ पे was और where यूज होता है। इन पास्ट वी यूजेस was और where plus verb plus ing in progressive case. So it will be plus be here means same was or where plus being plus verb 3. Next you see present perfect. So what is perfect tense? Just recall that subject plus has or have plus verb 3. has और have के पास हम ऑलरेडी verb 3 ही यूज करते हैं, कोई भी verb है उसका past participle form हम यूज करते हैं plus object. So it will be has or have plus been plus verb 3. Notice it carefully. Here we uses in passive voice we uses has or have plus been plus verb 3. Got it? Next see past perfect. Subject plus had, past में हम had use करते हैं, in present tense we uses has or have, and in past tense we uses had plus verb 3 plus subject, it will become had plus been plus verb 3. So remember all these formulas so that you will be able to do passive voice properly. Now see some examples. First I have taken the example of present simple. He makes tea. So how you will know that it is in which tense? If you have read about tense, then you can see from the verb that it is in which tense. Make और makes लिखा है, make और makes तो प्रेजेंट में ही है, तो प्रेजेंट सिंपल टेंस है। तो प्रेजेंट सिंपल टेंस में हम कौन सा फॉर्मूला यूज करेंगे पासिव वॉइस में? जस्ट बी प्लस वर्ब 3. सो व्हाट इज बी? इज और आम और आर। अगर आई लिखा है तो आम यूज करना, सिंगुलर है तो इज, प्लूरल है तो आर। सो यहाँ पे ऑब्जेक्ट विल बिकम सब्जेक्ट इन पासिव वॉइस। सो ऑब्जेक्ट क्या है? यहाँ पे टी लिखा है तो टी इज इन सिंगुलर फॉर्म, सो वी विल यूज इज। टी इज मेड बाय हिम। सो मेड इज द verb 3 of make. So you have to know verb 1, verb 2 and verb 3. Especially verb 3 का यूजेस हम passive voice में करते हैं। एंड सिंगुलर प्लूरल को आपको खास ख्याल रखना है कि सिंगुलर कहाँ पे यूज हो रहा है, प्लूरल कहाँ पे यूज हो रहा है, उसके अकॉर्डिंग हमको इज, आम, आर और हैज और हैव ये सब यूज करना है। अगर आपको अभी भी डाउट हो रहा है सिंगुलर प्लूरल में, देन यू कैन सी माय फर्स्ट वीडियो दैट वाज ऑन सिंगुलर नाउन एंड प्लूरल नाउन। So see here, next example is Mahesh wrote a story. It is in active voice. Normal जो sentence लिखा रहता है that is in active voice, जिसमें be plus verb 3 नहीं है। Okay, how you will get to know that it is in active voice or passive voice? अगर यहाँ पे be plus verb 3 लिखा है क्या? आप देखिए be means is, am, are or was or were. It is not here. Verb 3 भी नहीं लिखा है। So be plus verb 3, if it is not there in the sentence, then that is not a passive voice. Okay. So wrote is in past tense. Wrote is in past tense. So we will write a story. A story is the object. A story was written by Mahesh. A story was written by Mahesh. Similarly, they are building the bridge. See here, which tense I have used here? Are building. आर बिल्डिंग कंटिन्यूस टेंस में है, दे आर बिल्डिंग नाउ द ब्रिज, सो इट इज इन कंटिन्यूस टेंस, प्रेजेंट कंटिन्यूस और प्रोग्रेसिव टेंस. So, what is the formula for present progressive? In my previous slide, you have seen that we used be plus being plus verb 3. So, here it is written the bridge is being built by them. They यहाँ पे them हो गया. You can see here some changes in pronouns I have already written here. You can read it. They will become them. He will become him. She becomes her. Us becomes we and I becomes me in passive voice. ये सब एक्टिव वॉइस में हम यूज करते हैं एंड पासिव वॉइस में ये चेंज होके ऐसा हो जाता है, तो आपको ये रीड करना है. नेक्स्ट सी दे हैव डेकोरेटेड द रूम. सो इन विच टेंस इट इज हियर? हैव डेकोरेटेड. हैव मीन्स इट इज इन परफेक्ट, it is in present perfect tense. So we must know about tense. It is in present perfect tense. So perfect tense का formula मैं क्या बताई थी? has or have plus been plus verb 3. So here the room has been decorated. Has plus been plus verb 3. Decorated already is in verb 3. So इसमें कोई भी changes नहीं हुआ. Okay. So the room के पास हम has क्यों यूज किए? The room is singular, that's why I have written here has. They was plural, that's why we used have here. So in this way you can understand active and passive voice. Some more formulas are also there using modals. So after reading modals I will teach that also. So for today this much. अगर आज का वीडियो आपको अच्छा लगी हो देन प्लीज़ लाइक एंड सब्सक्राइब इट एंड इसको आपके फ्रेंड्स के बीच ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा शेयर कीजिए सो दैट सबको इस क्लास की बेनिफिट मिल सके जो कि टोटली फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट है. एंड इसके बाद जो भी और कुछ एक्टिव और पैसिव वॉइस में बचा है उसको मैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में बना दूंगी. अगर आपको कुछ डाउट है देन यू कैन कमेंट मी. So up to that, thank you.